Wow, just look at that color, that orangey purple color. This is so good, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be making for you a lunch smoothie. Alright, I said lunch because it's lunchtime and I wanted something not too heavy to have for lunch, so I decided to make a special smoothie. Alright, so before I go, remember to like all my videos, share with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about all my videos. Okay guys, and subscribe. And thanks to all my subscribers so far. I appreciate you. So for my special lunchtime smoothie, I have my 4-berry blend. Still have that. I have, what will make the difference is some grape and carrot. I have my yogurt, Yoplait, right? And I have some milk, right? And my blender. So I'm gonna get started. So first I'm gonna add these fruits to the blender. Alright, so the carrot was already diced. So guys, remember you can't put the whole carrot in it. You have to cut it up in small pieces and add it to the blender. Alright, so this is gonna be my only ice, the 4-berry blend. I'll add some of that. Alright, it's handy to get these for your smoothie. It's easy, it's already frozen, it's already together. Depends on what you want. You can get them different. You can get pineapple, you can get strawberry alone, whatever it is you want, whatever you can get it for your smoothie. Right, and I'm gonna add my yogurt. Okay, so you can choose to use a Greek yogurt, non-fat yogurt, whatever yogurt you feel like using, you can use it to make your smoothie. Okay, or if you don't need any yogurt at all, you don't have to put it in your smoothie. Okay, now I'm gonna add the milk. So this is a low-fat milk. You can choose to use the 100% milk or the diet milk, whatever that is, to make your smoothie, or you can use juice. You don't have to use milk. Alright, but this milk will give it a milky taste. Alright, and I'm gonna blend. Okay, and that's it guys. This is my smoothie all done. Look at it. Should taste real good. Alright, should taste real good. I'm gonna pour this out. Wow, just look at that color, that orangey purple color. And this color is because of the carrot. The carrot is orange, so it gives it a different look from the purple mixture from the berries. Yeah, so let me taste it. This is so good, guys. And there you have it. My lunch is ready, just like that. You can do the same too and get your lunch. Instead of having some heavier food, you can make a smoothie. Okay, I only use 4 berries, grape and carrot, and yogurt, and there you have it. So you can blend up your fruits and you blend up your vegetable. If you don't like to eat your vegetable, you can blend it up into a smoothie. Okay, and there you have it, all done. All done, guys. My special lunchtime smoothie. Remember to like my videos, share it to their friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about this smoothie. Okay, and it's good for the entire family. All right, so if you are in a rush and you don't have time to prepare other meals, just grab some fruits and vegetables and blend them together. You get a nice smoothie. All right, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget, remember to leave me a comment below what you think about this smoothie. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.